One of the most accepted and expected entry requirements across MBA programs is the GMAT test. Most graduate programs are now, or MBA programs are now accepting the GRE test as well. So it's best to check the specific requirements of the university that you want to go to and then prepare for the particular tests that they're looking for. Sometimes you have other things you have to do first before you're actually ready for the MBA program. In particular, I'm thinking of two things: either increasing your English skills or doing more prerequisite business programs. You know, the MBA program was always designed for the non-business undergraduate, particularly engineers, architects, musicians, chemists, you know, people that have not had any business undergraduate skills. Now, there's a variety of MBA programs. There's full-time programs, part-time programs, flexible programs, executive programs. They all have different requirements. So again, being sure that the program, that you understand the requirements to the program you want. Now, at our university, our program is a part-time program. That doesn't mean you can't go full-time, and all of our international students go full-time. But what it does mean is that if you have an undergraduate business degree that has met all of our prerequisites, then you can step immediately into our graduate MBA program. To do that, you do need your GMAT score done first. But if, for some reason, you don't have those prerequisites, we offer those to you as well. In that case, you can come and enter the university without the GMAT, study the prerequisites, and prepare for your GMAT score first. When you're done with the prerequisites, you take your GMAT, and then you start your MBA program. Another unique thing that we offer at Eastern Washington University is an English Language Institute. Our English Language Institute is one of the premier institutes in the United States, and we have an excellent MBA preparation path through that institute where students take the required prerequisite courses along with English language support. And by the time they've completed all of the prerequisites with this English language support, we accept that as an equivalent to the 92 IBT TOEFL scores. And therefore, students have had the opportunity to not only get their prerequisites, but get their English skills up to speed, and then not have to take the TOEFL test, which students love to not have to do that. We also provide GMAT and GRE preparation courses if students are interested in doing those. So you can come and start prior to taking the GMAT and then be prepared to take it, and then enter the MBA program.